Dr. Zakir, next question, question 4. There's a hadith which mentions that if a person eats or drinks forgetfully, then Allah has provided him with food and drink. Last Ramadan, whilst fasting, my husband requested me a glass of water. Not realizing that he was fasting, I served him with a glass of water and he drank. Should I have reminded him that he was fasting or consider it a provision from Allah?
The question has rightly mentioned that the beloved Prophet Sallallahu, he has mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the Book of Fasting, Hadith number 1933, the beloved Prophet said that if a person unintentionally, out of forgetfulness, while fasting, has something to eat or drink, he should complete his fast. And what he has eaten and what he drank, he should think it's from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, but a person who has unintentionally, out of forgetfulness, it is totally valid, he can complete the fast. But here, the husband has forgotten. The wife knew it very well. What the wife should have done was, she should have reminded the husband. Because the Quran says, in Surah Al-Imran, chapter 3, verse number 110, enjoin what is good and forbid what is wrong and believe in Allah. So here, it was the duty of the wife to remind the husband that he was fasting. And Quran says that, ta'awun al-birri wal-taqwa, that they help each other in good deeds, goodness and righteousness. So here it was the duty of the wife, because she knew that the husband was fasting. If she did not know and she gave it, it would have been forgiven. But because knowing very well that the husband was fasting, she purposefully gave it to him. I feel what she had done is wrong. It's a sin. But as far as the husband is concerned, he asked for water not knowing that he was fasting. His fast would be accepted, it would be completed, and that's the provision from Allah. But she should have reminded him. So she's at fault, the husband is not at fault.